bit higher and look at how this.
We got us a naked bird. Well, we hope you're all having a good day. It's a beautiful Sunday here out at the barnyard. It's just the weather's just beautiful. It's a little chilly, a little breezy, as you might could tell, but the weather's just beautiful. I love this time of year. It's my favorite time of year, and it's a great time to be out here at the barnyard with us. It is turkey harvesting day. Well, day 2. A little bit of a hot bath helps get the feathers loosened up.
Releases the feathers.
Woo!
You okay? What did the temperature read?
About 175. All right, look out.
Going in the bird.
That's state fair quality turkey leg right there.
Get these real quick. Yeah. 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 When you get hot enough.
Put that other one right in the target. Get it?
You gotta pluck quick, all right?
I'm doing the best I can. You told me to get all these up there.
Oh, I know.
It's working.
I'll get the wings because they're the hardest. What?
Splashes.
Sorry. You gotta pull these down. You guys all had a hard time, but the other day I forgot to tell them.
Christine said she sold her goats and didn't know who to use it to a goat house.
Well, I hope everybody is getting ready for Thanksgiving. We are definitely getting ready for Thanksgiving here at the barnyard, as you can see. We got the turkey harvesting going on. We did most of them yesterday, Saturday, finishing up the rest of them today. It's one heck of a process, but we've had a bunch of happy customers. If you purchased a turkey from us this year, we definitely thank you. We hope you enjoy the turkey. Some of the best turkey in the county, in my opinion. No antibiotics, no hormones, grown on the ground. It's just good eating. Big old turkeys. So we do this pretty much every year. If you missed out on it this year, we will have some ground turkey for sale. And just keep your eye out next year around this time. We usually put something up on our website at the beginning of November taking orders for these turkeys. So if you missed out on this, definitely get in on it next year. Like I said, some of the best turkey you'll probably eat all year. I'm going to take a selfie with the turkey. Abraham, what's up, buddy? Hey, Abe. You gonna say hello? You're not gonna say hello. That's alright. You're enjoying a little bit of sunshine that you're getting. We're starting up our winter activities. Christmas at the barnyard. is starting in a few days, and we've put up some previews of the lights, and it's going to be awesome. They're looking great. Everything's coming along great. Black Friday, the Friday after Thanksgiving, is the first day that we're going to be open for Christmas at the Barnyard. It starts at 5 o'clock in the evening and runs until 8 o'clock p.m. We're going to be open again that Saturday, and then it's going to be every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday until Christmas. So if you want to come out to the Barnyard and see some great Christmas lights, sit on Santa Claus's lap. I hear he's going to stop by, so that'll be great. And come spend the evening out here with us. It's going to be awesome. The lights are going to look beautiful. I'm going to put more information in the description of the video, put links to our website and everything, so check those out. Put information on dates and times for Christmas at the Barnyard, and also our live nativity, so check out the description of the video and get that information. We're excited to see you. We hope you all come out. Hey Jezebel! Hey Jezebel! Hey girl! Oh, happy to see me? Yeah. Yeah. You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi to everybody.